you ready to learn together?
CoComelon Classroom!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Do you like my school bus? A school bus is a vehicle that takes children to school. I made this school bus all by myself. Would you like to learn how to make one too?
Yay!
Wonderful, I'll show you. You'll need paper plates, paints, some paint brushes, glue, scissors, and some squares and circles cut from black construction paper. First, I'm going to cut 2 of my paper plates in half. And set one aside to use for mixing paint. These are going to be the body of our buses. I want to paint my school buses orange, purple, and green, but you can paint yours any color you'd like. But I don't have any orange paint. What do you think I should do? I know. If I don't have the colors I need, I'll just make them.
Yay!
Look, I'll show you just how to do it. If you mix red and yellow, you can make orange. Isn't that neat? Let's keep mixing colors. What color do you think we'll get if we mix red and blue together? Let's find out if you're right. This is so fun! Look, red and blue make purple!
Whoa!
I want to paint the last bus green. What 2 colors should I mix together to make green? How about blue and yellow? Blue and yellow make green.
Whoa! Yeah!
And now we've mixed colors to paint a green, purple, and orange bus. You're doing great. And once the paint has dried, I'm going to take the shapes I cut out earlier and glue them onto the buses. First, I'll add the bus's square windows. And then some circles for wheels. And those wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. Which bus was your favorite? My favorite was the purple bus.
Yay!
We've been sitting for a long time. Now it's time to get up and move our bodies. Are you ready? Let's go. Vroom, vroom. Come on. Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom!